Ja Rasta fried rice, Ja Rasta pizza, Ja Rasta gombe. Ebusia, Rasta you want me to say we can Blakk Rasta once. Blakk Rasta of Trefa we bona adwene akire Chairman Azoka, NDC Vice Chairman. Efa enroa. Basabase okoye ewa Akwatia na eze akwa sortie NPP third Vice Chairman. Awe kan adwen pa e da chen. Ama media no so. Trouble Carlos as adwen conversation in fact. Wabete Chairman Azoka apansa me montiri mu akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Best what say need dem obe like video no other ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update. Na be kire wadwen dia ama me e wo comment section. Best what so baso. No wa shebra from so anya bi ahwe. Eti enwa ene kwa Akwatia by election no so. Ana could be any say about one ebeya be say na security very tight. It no could be any say about one ebeya sumje until say Chairman Azoka any ne tag be ebaye.
Defeated, and it was destined that at the end of time, God alone would kill the Leviathan, as only the Creator had the power to destroy it. And subscribe Bible Unicorn. Did you know that Moses had the glory of God?
Na say you answer say afenya marking abetiti posters e wo matatai ewo police center honomo. Afenya marking abetiti na obeto afenya marking ko beku no. Emu ana say NPP third Vice Chairman Masawudu eyesenka wo ne obeka me unua. Aba unua akoma aba fam. Unua mu na kutukum on say onte ase emode ntokakura ko foforo Masawudu ekototo ntwade nyina.
Munkajo anye jiri shela yerma ponna wanye ba ma ponna gini anye ba ma kanjel ponna ne list bi se ka anye bla your mother I say your mother I say your mother look ponna take the anye ba ma ke brother anye ba ma brother what's up brother your
Later enombusa Azoka say Azoka cry Masawudu wanya ohwe wanka bone wan mo wanya obibia eye de na kwa assault no ensen we ana Azoka ekan
na Chairman Masawudu ojan ba bi ye ni interview na no boys ekwoto share so ma boys bobo na sumo
oh maza aka ye mini Masawudu a small boy oya kwara ona hondi o ye bayire kese kwa bayire kese ewo fufu Masawudu nimmi bisa Masawudu se wakachire ese onu betima bu betima bu mi kachire Masawudu se at anywhere day or night we hunu between me and him
when then
yeah we are over there
Chairman when then
me say yeah we are over there
Chairman, I'm so you're violent too. Would you
violent?
Aye.
Who said they're violent?
I'm say Chairman, Sofo Azoka, you're violent pa.
And I'm already on your violence. On your Uncle Boomia, Uncle Catcher. Oh, on your Hondi, and then catcher and Sofo Azoka violent.
Azoka me kunipo.
Me, Masawudu nimmi. Enyende, Masawudu nimmi, enyende. Hello, what's your name?
Metio pa Chairman Masawudu say wunni ahoden ti na wamua no sa so bo ba kura no pa no anka say kanya so wugina ha ka say
me hear me sit any Masawudu nukuma apro ani ahonden
oh Chairman we say we the suit me kasa Chairman
Masawudu onu kuma ontimi kuntokwa nukuma say wa epumbulum nukuma apro
wadaroma abato menyi ni sabato ye ntokwa sadia mode e ka no so wo ka sa osia obabia de besi no sanye asempa wo
osim mi Azoka mimi ni Masawudu ade umanja ma mburu too much no Masawudu nukuma apro ojasie oni ahondi
Azoka
Chairman Masawudu.
Na emono ana Blakk Rasta of 3FM. On Trouble Carlos. Oma be in fact, Oma ke kan Oma dwe pa. Chairman Azoka amabi akwaka NDC penifo.
Sofo Azoka, the NDC hammerman, strikes again. He's called Alhaji Sofo Azoka. He's from the north. Oh yes. From his, appearance, you can tell straight away that this is a man from the north. He's a Gonja man from the same land as the President of the Republic, I am told. And Gonjas are Northerners, even though they belong to the Guans. In Deura Jakpa, they are natural warriors. Remember, in Deura Jakpa, one man was able to conquer so much of land until he got in contact with the Ashantis. He was hurt and had to return. He was going to conquer all the way to the Ashanti and beyond. That was where, between the border of the north and Bono Ahafo region, my brother, my sister, he was hurt. And while they were bringing him home, he bled himself to death in Deura Jakpa. This is a great son of Deura Jakpa. Naturally, inside them, there is war. No wonder he has said that as for him, he is always ready to fight. Me, I'm always ready to fight at his age. He's not a young man anymore. But he has some blood in him that is boiling hot. Alhaji Sofo Azoka. Today at Akwatia, as they are getting ready to announce the results, the by-elections, would it go the way of the NDC or the way of the NPP? But it looks like horns were locked. There's a video that is from DW, and it's interesting. And there is this man here, Sofo Azoka, approaching a man by name Masawudu Osman. They belong to the two parties, NPP and NDC. Sofo Azoka is not happy with Masawudu Osman and speaks to him in Dagbani. I'm going to translate every single word he said, and then we'll get into it. In the interim, this was what happened. Watch this.
Your mother. I said your mother. I said your mother.
Now, my brother, what looked like a joke, what it was that, from what we saw, Alhaji Masawudu Osman, who is also a chief in the Kumbungu area, and a Dagomba man. Now, the Dagombas are part of the Moli Dagbani group. My brother, my sister, in the past, there was a war between the Dagombas and the Gonjes. But from that time, they have become friends, and it doesn't look like any such thing even ever happened. My brother, my sister, just like there was a war between the Akans and, in fact, the Ashantis and the Gans. And today there's peace all over. What happened in the past should remain in the past. We're just giving you a little history so you know these people. Now watch this. Masawudu is the third vice chairman of the NPP, we are told. Azoka is the second vice chairman, the first vice chairman of the NDC, the party in power. Masawudu was granting an interview, and then when he saw Azoka, he started joking with him, because in the north we actually play. Ethnic groups play with each other, and you are never supposed to get angry. The Gonjas play with the Dagombes. The Dagombes play with the Moshes. So you are never supposed to get angry. No matter how angry you are supposed to swallow it and just find a way of also being part of the joke. We have that tradition in the North. As to what Masawudu said, we can't tell. But we see, as Masawudu is granting the interview, Chief Azoka approaches him. And this was what he said in the Gbani. I'm going to translate it. The words are harsh, but these are not my words. I just want those who do not understand the Gbani to understand what Chairman Azoka said. And mind you, he's also an Alhaji. The two of them are Alhajis. They are Muslims. And their religion, Islam, means submission to the will of God. When they meet each other, they are supposed to forget every kind of language, but say to each other, Salamu alaikum. It means peace be unto you, my brother. So it means Islam is a religion of peace, isn't it? But politics can change everything. Azoka approaches Masawudu. And then the first words we hear, excuse my language. You, the way you speak so carelessly, you go around speaking carelessly. If you are not careful, I will let you have sex with your mother. In fact, I didn't want to use the F word, but that's what he said in the Gbani. I will let you sleep with your mother. In fact, it's one of the most offensive terms you can use. Just like in Jamaica, they have the B word. He repeated it. And you could see that Masawudu was thinking that it was a joke, the same kind of jokes that we have in the North. And he said, oh, I'm your brother. A brother Nyama. I'm your brother. He said, it's your mother. I'm your brother. A brother Nyama. A brother Nyama. Why? I'm your brother. You could see that he thought it was a joke. Until Azoka pushed him and said, your mother, with his thumb. And then he moved back and beginning to turn it around his head. Try to understand what it was. And then somebody, maybe one of the Azoka boys, comes from the back and gives him a heavy slap. My brother, my sister, it's truly sad. I don't know what will make a man get so angry to the point of attacking another man. There are other tapes. I don't think that to be necessary to play them. But Masawudu has gone to report this to the police officially. Azoka is still threatening that when it comes to war, he is ready for that. I didn't expect such words to come out of the mouth of an Alhaji who looks so, what's the word? So noble, that's the word. Because when you see this man, white beard, white mustache, in the North, you can't even just come and greet him. You have to bend down and greet him. That's the respect that we give to people like this. You allow the little children to use those kind of words. Anyabama is harsh. A lot of NDC people are disappointed. Remember that it is only a by-election. It is not a do-or-die situation. Now, Chairman Azoka has boys, and they call themselves the Azoka boys. In fact, they have been involved in some amount of violence in the past. I don't know if that violence is still happening, but from what we saw at Akwatia, it's not a good story. Now, Masawudu also comes to say, and listen, this is where it is dangerous. He granted another interview, and you know what Masawudu said? He said, I am a Dagomba man. Listen, I am a Dagomba man. What does it mean? It means you are not. If he had said, I am a Dagomba man, simple. But said, I am a Dagomba man. And you live in Tamale. So if we go back there, and my people also attack you, what would it be like? How many people smell tribal war? How many people smell that? Are we not tired of the Boku issue? Today, that's why I started by giving you a bit of history. I think that the two of them would have to find a way out. But it looks like Chairman Azoka is still on the rampage. The spirit of Ndewura Jakpa is still roaring inside him like a storm. He has gone to F00LISH marking. How many of us know the minority leader, F00LISH marking? He's gone to him. And he told him, though in absentia, that if he had come to meet him, there would have been a by-election in his constituency. As to what that means, it's on to you. Watch this. NDC's Azoka threatens F00LISH marking at Akwatia. Run it, my youth. Run it. It says a national vice chairman of the ruling National Democratic Congress, Sofo Azoka, has issued a strong warning to the minority leader in parliament and member of parliament for F02 constituency, Alexander Kwamena F00LISH marking. Now speaking to the press during the ongoing by-election in Akwatia, Sofo Azoka, who accused the minority leader of leading some NPP supporters to remove posters at the NDC constituency office in Akwatia, warned that if he had encountered F00LISH marking at the NDC office, it would have resulted in a by-election in the F02 constituency. Wow. Sounds like the words of an ancient warrior. As Barack Obama told us, in Africa we don't need strong men anymore. What we need? Strong institutions. Turn your strength into brain power. Let us have institutions that work for us. When you go to war, it's not all about physical strength. It's about strategy. Because whether you are big like this or fianga like me, one bullet aimed at your head will bring you down like that stone that brought down Goliath. I can't advise them. They are two grown men. They probably are my uncles. I love the two of them. But the loss of the country must work. We can't continue like this. No, it's not good. How? What kind of provocation? Why should F00LISH marking go and tear posters or order posters to be torn in the party office according to this man? What is his side of the story? And even with that kind of provocation, should we not maintain calm heads? For Alhaji Masawudu Osman and Alhaji Chairman Azoka, I am sure great men in the north will sit the two of them together so that they will smoke the peace pipe. As to what is in the peace pipe, I don't know. Maybe it's ganja. Maybe it's tobacco, bonto. Or maybe dry ground goro. But I believe that there must be peace. Elections should not let us undermine our tradition and respect for elders. What I saw on camera, I don't know what happened off camera. There was no need for that kind of attack. If today the country flares in flames, flies in flames, it's not only Azoka who is going to suffer, neither is it Masawudu who is going to suffer. We all are going to suffer. So we must protect the nation. Whoever is trying to bring the nation to its knees in chaos must be dealt with. Over to you, the authorities. It's the Black Pot, aka Koko Shodomo, and here we speak truth to power.
Who is this? Me Donyame say. Why do Donyame? F00LISH marking. Why? I'm not done play. Nana B. Okay. Omudi agwa wallahi umbewu. Hey. Me Donyako. Obekunipa. Me come be propose from. F00LISH marking. I'm not done play. Nana B.
Omunye show mobile election.
It's not troubling. Given the
we are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. We know the plan they are taking. So we are waiting for them.
Oh wow, we send it to so problem. Chalegana police money and that's a couple of people for Akwatia. Oh wow. Ragati asamaba. Say NDC foni binu se mwajimi kakra eye muntwaso wate na Ghana enye modia. Chale eba ne sei ena baby aye to aba a ye sei ye mpese basa ye ebeko. Wutimi ko gina eye chese TV enim eka se afenyoma ken ubeku no. Because of say wo no wonim de ehye ne trim enti no ba hono ma ubeku no. Unsa da bia eye enkwase atem se ya no mu ya omu ba hono ma no ma ba be attack the same thing ene kwesi wa blekuma. This time around we thought say anka police for no omu de like strong team aba hono ma anko mu ntimi mama majimi biem. But this time around the police for no mo bo no kwa de omu chen first for no. Utum se emma pa mata police nia obi ejina hode ne nsa etu obi hunim man warning so obeku no mo ankasa matibi ewo masom woni ne gina ho kasa so omu ye namfufu omu ni momu hu agro mu di the moment of started say large ni started say oswo to NPP man o kasa obeku no saa to anso de ne nsa tim wo sanka mo chele nsa mo de ato na chi na mo acheche na ma hankofo no na mo de ne ko there be enya Ghana police o matimi atena ho no mo ema ye he ama achirei o mu gina ho pa NDC for na cho say o mu nya o mo like o mu po macho o mu do mu ntwa so hey NDC say politics are so strong to the point say even police crane they don't have a say. Say politician bo citizen and as bo opposition person and also be a ye close to Penyah kakra bi wo politics mu chese yenche no yentimi nka na asem chale ene say Ghana aye hu pa o because we had the course na the police were begging the NDCs sir police ni begging a civilian to stop fighting. Me who be busy ya I am not just me ra wan kasa and I am say me who any pakra me fa blame ni man say police for no na esura de o say eye aban na intimidate omo enti no ntimi nyo omadwumu I don't know me mom de medwun say police for na nyo omadwuma because police near wo civilian ejina ho edin semfo ebu mra so na wo pa na choso onyan e wo abra handcuff ekitaw. Charlie, this is sad.
Ubet machre wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.